Meow. I love this pose. A cute little licky cat. Just get those ears in there. I love the looks of those little ears. Cat with a big face and little ears. Just getting a feel for where everything goes and just finding my way with lots of lines at first. And the extra lines won't be a problem in the end, as you'll see. They just add energy and movement. This is when I really start feeling things out, getting them in the right place so it is convincingly like a cat laying down licking itself. Just feeling out my angles really carefully. And especially for the face, I really slow down and really feel things out, where those eyes should go. Quick zip for an eye. The eye on my left-hand side is never quite as easy for me to get. Oh, I like that little nose. You see those nice quick flicky lines for the tongue? It really allows the drawing to breathe life. And not worrying about it too much. Because when we go back and fix things that we figure aren't perfect, that's when we lose that beautiful impressionistic look. Minimal fixing here. And I want those eyes to be open. Just gentle little lines. I like the way that looks. Kind of looks like the cat's looking up now. Bit of a smirk. Almost a devious look, hey? Like any cat would ever be devious. And you can really add a lot of expression with those tabby stripes and that characteristic M on the forehead. Ever so carefully and gently in those important parts. But I like what I did there. Just a bit of suggestion of markings here. I hope you'll join our Facebook group if you're truly a person that really wants to draw cats. We'd love to have you, and you will find the link for that group in the video description below. It's called Cat Drawing Art Workshop Facebook group. And I hope to see you in the next video.